How effective is it for anti-aging? Very effective, so as I was just saying there. It produces collagen and elastin in the skin, but it also gets your products deeper into the skin.
My name is Caroline Hooper, certified skin and laser specialist, and I'm also clinical director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe.
So you're getting more effect from your products as well, especially if you're after purchasing expensive products. You want to get the best use out of them, because most of the time you're not getting any of your products in deep into the skin. It's all just sitting on the surface. So if you've invested heavily in your products, you should definitely invest in a home roller so that you're getting much more effect from the products. Okay, so I'm going to come in now and work along the nose area. I've already applied product on there. This is where you need to get right in here into this crease, because a lot of times that area can get neglected, and a lot of product can build up in there where you're not getting right in when you're cleansing the skin. And so you can get a buildup of dead skin cells in there. So you want to get right in to remove that dead skin. And that's another thing with the home roller and how it can help is to remove dead skin cells and get a fresh layer of skin up to the surface.